Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are going to go ahead and edit a template card. The size of this card is 3 by 3 inches. Let me start by mentioning the things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. I'm going to go ahead and point out the artwork for you. The top portion here, the bottom, and the social media icons. Those cannot be changed. Everything else on this template can be changed. You can change the background color, the font color, the size, and font type. So the only thing you would need to do on this template would be to click on this section and enter your business information. If you want to remove a social media icon, you just go ahead and click on it. Now these social media icons are grouped, so if you want to ungroup them, you go to the top right and click ungroup, and that is going to allow you to select each individual icon on its own. So let's get rid of Etsy and Facebook and highlight all of them and center, and that's it. You have the second design of the template below, and this one includes a phone number, email address, and website. You have the Spanish template below, the back of the design, and social media icons. If you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. You guys have a great day.